Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete blank rows at the bottom of Excel, step by step. I'll be showing this on Windows. First, you need to identify where your data ends and the blank rows begin. Scroll down to the last row that contains data, then click on the row number of the first empty row directly below it. The row number is that gray box on the left edge of the worksheet. When you click it, the entire row will become highlighted in gray or blue. That's how you know you've selected it. Now you're going to select all the blank rows from here down to the bottom of the sheet. Hold down Shift and Control together, then press the down arrow key. You'll see Excel select thousands of rows in one go. It'll highlight everything from your starting position all the way down to the very last row in the sheet, which is row 1,048,576. Don't worry about the exact number. The point is that every blank row below your data is now selected. Next, right-click on any of the highlighted row numbers on the left side. A context menu will pop up at your cursor with several options. From that menu, click Delete. The rows disappear immediately. Your worksheet will now end at your last row of actual data, with no more blank rows trailing below it. Now here's a crucial step that a lot of people miss. You need to save your workbook. The worksheet boundaries don't actually reset until you save the file. Go ahead and press Ctrl+S to save. In some cases, especially if you deleted a large number of rows, you might need to use Save As and overwrite the existing file to fully clear the blank space. After saving, if you're still seeing issues, close the file completely and reopen it. That usually does the trick. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.